Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today I'm going to teach you how to install the auto up relay on the Toyota Alphard 20 series. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, first off, let's have a look at this auto up relay. Alright, it's pretty simple. What you have here is the negative and positive line. Then you have the pink color, or sometimes it's yellow. This goes to the front where the switch to open your boot is, and then we have this that connects to the switch over here. Where's the switch? Yep, sorry, here, over here. Okay, so I'll be doing the wiring and I will explain to you how is it done. Alright. Okay, so the wiring is done. Okay, as mentioned, there's 4 wires over here. Alright, to this connector. Alright, so the black one goes to negative, in which I connect it over to here. The red one goes to positive, in which I put it over to the white one over here. Now, this white cable, you may not have it because you may not have the lights that is installed over here at the bonnet. These lights. Alright, this is something I added on. You probably saw it in the video before this. If you do not have that positive, what you can do is you can actually pull a cable all the way to here. Alright, pull it over to here and connect it to the positive that's over here, which is also the white color cable. Okay, then we have this cable here. Alright, yeah, the kit says plug and play. It really isn't actually. Okay, so on this connector there's a gray and blue. You take the blue one and you connect it over to the socket over here, which is meant for blue, and you disconnect this. Okay, so for this, it's very simple. There's only 3 colors: blue, white, and yellow. Yellow is for the big switch, blue is for the smaller switch. So I'm connecting this to the smaller switch, and then the pink one, we will need to route it all the way here, go inside, go into this grommet here, go in, then go through the sides all the way to the front. All the way to the front over here to this switch, in which I connect it over to the green color, the light green cable over here, which is the third from the right if you're looking at it this way. Okay, alright, to this green one over here. Okay, now all that is left is to assemble back everything. You might want to think, you might be asking me, how do I take this off, right? Okay, so it's actually held on by 4 clips. It's actually held on by 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Alright, just pull it down a bit. Then from here, just like this. Alright, you just push it down a bit, pull it towards the front, then lift it down. Okay, it's a bit technical actually, so just meddle with it, you should be able to take it out. Alright, mine is a bit on the rare side because I have this land recognition camera here. Okay, which is not common for my model of Alphard, but I have it odd, right? So my cover here is slightly different from the rest of the Alphard and Vellfire 20 series. Alright, respect. Yep. Okay, so let's put everything up and let's give it a test. Okay, as I mentioned in my previous video when I was installing the 2 boot lights, alright, the cables was very messy and I will clean it up, and well, this is sort of the end result. Alright, I couldn't really pile this out into one because of the different cable length and intensity. Alright, but yep, everything's done. Alright, now it's just installing back all the panels and let's give it a try. Alright, that's the end of the video. So let's talk a bit about the switch itself. Alright, so originally from Toyota, the switch that comes with it has two buttons actually. One that is this white one. Alright, you press on it, it will unlock the door, but it does not auto up. And then we have this button switch. Alright, the button switch basically does not do anything besides beeping. I have no idea what it is. I have checked the manual. It's stated that it's supposed to be the lock function, but I have no idea what the lock function is. Okay, so I've cut that wire off and I've connected the auto up relay to it. So what happens now is, if I were to press on the bigger button, alright, it will function as normal. It will just unlock the latch and we'll have to manually put it up. But if we were to push on the push button, the smaller button, alright, it will unlock and auto up. Okay, so that's how the wiring works for this. Okay, now let's talk a bit about the cost. The cost of this item alone is about 123 ringgit, so that's about 40 US, no wait, that's about 30 US dollars. Alright, but it doesn't come with wiring, so I had hell of a time figuring out the wiring. Alright, I was afraid that I might just wire it wrongly and blow something up. So I did a couple of checks and I finally made it. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to find the wire. Okay, overall this project took about an hour. Alright, from removing the panels to doing the wiring to cleaning up the wiring, everything. Okay, so all in all, I'm very satisfied. If I were to do it again, I think it should be much faster, probably 30 minutes or 40 minutes, because I don't have to look for the wire anymore. I know which wire to use. Okay, yeah, that's all there is to talk about this. So if you have not done so, make sure you are subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell button so you get notified on our future uploads. Alright, so till next time, I will see you again.